Hello everyone. In previous video, we learned that how to add 3-digit numbers by using an abacus. Now, today we are going to learn addition without carrying, or you can say addition without regrouping. Addition means putting the things together. Simply, it means that when we get together most of the things, means two or more things we put together, it becomes addition. This kind of process is known as addition, or we can say process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Now, first of all, we will learn some new terms related to addition. So here, when we add two numbers, these two numbers are called addends. Simply, we can say the numbers to be added are called addends. And the answer of the addition problem is known as sum. So here we can understand 3-digit numbers addition with the help of one story. Welcome to the mall of toys. Look at the different boxes. There are 432 teddy bears in one box and 261 dolls in another box. How many toys are there in all? Here we have to add 432 and 261 together. How can we add this? So let's start how. Arrange the two numbers under hundreds, tens and ones, means write the number 432 and 261 in place value chart. First, we add the numbers in the ones column. 2 and 1. We get the number 3. Write it in the ones place or ones column. Now add the numbers in the tens column. 3 and 6. We get 9, which we write in the tens column. And finally, we add the numbers in the hundreds column. 4 and 2. And we get 6, which we write in the hundreds column or hundreds place. Hence, we get the number 693. We say the sum of 432 and 261 is 693. It means there are 693 toys in all. Oh, so many toys to play. Now look at the other boxes. There are 533 green balls and 256 red balls. Let's see how many balls are there all together. We have to arrange the two numbers under hundreds, tens and ones column. First add the ones digits 3 and 6. We get 9. So write 9 in ones place. Then move to tens digit. Add 3 and 5 is equal to 8, which we write in tens column. And finally, we add the hundreds column digits 5 and 2, which is equal to 7, which we write in the hundreds column or hundreds place. Thus, the sum of 533 and 256 is 789. It means that there are 789 balls in all. Now students, try to add this. 662 and 215. How can we add this? Yes, first we arrange the given numbers under the title hundreds, tens and ones column. Then first add the ones place digits 2 and 5 is equal to 7, which we write in ones column. Then add tens digits 6 and 1. We get 7. So write 7 in tens column. And finally add the hundreds column digits 6 and 2 is equal to 8, which we write in the hundreds column. Hence we get the number 877. We say that the sum of 662 and 215 is 877. So students, this is how you can add the 3-digit numbers without carrying or without regrouping. I hope you understand it clearly. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. Thank you.